You bastards! You bastards! Ah!
Jay?
What's going on? Where are we?
Don't. Okay, go.
That appears to be a crow of some sort. Yes, that's most definitely a crow. Okay. Have you ever heard of John James Audubon?
Oh yeah.
What did he do?
Well, as far as I understand, he was instrumental in cataloging many of the bird species around in the areas he worked, which includes this area.
Squirrel! Do you think Bloomington is nature friendly?
I think in certain aspects it is. I think that, you know, obviously it's liberal area, so I mean it's more green than I'm sure like the surrounding cities, but I think it could be more eco-friendly.
Dude. You picked the right table.
You picked the right table. Oh, like outdoor recreation students.
Yeah.
Rock climbing, kayaking,
Guides
canoeing.
and all of that variety.
Yeah.
Backpacking, I really interest in that. Yeah, definitely
think
rock
they're
climbing is number one.
What's your favorite type of bird to eat?
Chicken. You got a bird? You got a bird? Okay, I like fried chicken.
You bastards!
Wonderful music, songs, they're beautiful animals with so much variety. Wow, birds.
Mommy! Try again, Mommy. Ah! Oh God.
Blue jay, cardinal, a blue jay, a yellow jay, a cardinal.
Well, the red-tailed hawk, the North American kestrel, another small raptor, also commonly called a sparrowhawk.
Pigeon, crow, falcon, eagle, blue jay, hummingbird. Is that an insect?
Barn owl!
Barn owl. One, cowbird, which is a parasitic bird, technically, if you look into it. Cowbird, which is a parasitic bird, technically, if you look into it. Parasitic bird, technically, if you look into it.
What do you see? What do you see?
Do you know what this is, Katie?
What?
This is the red Peter jay. This bird is, there are only 5 known types of this bird right here. I've never seen one of these in person, only in pictures.
Can we get a fuller view of its crest?
Oh my God, I've never seen one of these before. This is amazing. Good thing you're filming this. They wouldn't believe me. I've been trying to find one of these for 17 years, and my colleagues in the ornithology department have never believed me that it even exists. They said it was a myth. You're wrong. He's right here. I want to touch it. I want to touch you. I need to touch.
3. Ooh, my favorite type of bird. I generally like the raptors a lot. The red-tailed hawk is probably the most stately of the local raptors.
Have you ever heard of John James Audubon?
Yes.
Yeah? Do you know what he did?
Yes. He like shot birds and stuff and put them up in like pictures and stuff. But the only reason I know this much is because my dad is a professor. Do you know Dr. Christopher Ermsher? Dr. Christopher Ermsher?
What?
Dr. Christopher Ermsher?
What?
Dr. Christopher Ermsher?
What?
Dr. Christopher Ermsher?
Huh?
Dr. Christopher Ermsher?
What?
Dr. Christopher Ermsher?
What?
Dr. Christopher Ermsher?
What?
Dr. Christopher Ermsher?
Little kid, you serious?
Dr. Christopher Ermsher?
What?
Dr. Christopher Ermsher? Dr. Christopher Ermsher.
What the hell you just say to me?
Dr. Christopher Ermsher.
What?
Dr. Christopher Ermsher. What? Dr. Christopher Ermsher.
Do you know Scott Russell Sanders?
Yes.
Yeah, he visited our class and talked about him.
Yeah.
What are the chances? Jeez. What are you doing?
Where'd Lake Griffey go?
I don't know.
Where is it, man?
Maybe the birds drank it.
What's that movie where they have the airplane and all the geese follow it?
Flyway Home.
Flyway Home! Flyway Home. Oh, it touches my heart.
So, I really liked March of the Penguins for its accurate portrayal of birds and like what they go through.
Yeah, like they really captured their personality really well.
Yeah, I mean, I felt like I was there with the penguins.
When they're just marching through.
Oh my god!
Did we just hit something?
We're like, I think it's broken. You're gonna be okay, little guy. There you go. Fly away. Construction, the Scrooge of nature. The car pollutes the air that the bird breathes and flies in. Bicyclists, bird's best friend. Squirrels, the ugly cousin. What is your favorite movie or book about a bird?
The Birds by
Hitchcock.
Hitchcock.
Now those portray birds in a negative light.
Very negative light.
Do you like that movie so much because you dislike birds?
I don't
Or do you
dislike
dislike birds because you dislike that movie so much?
I like it.
So grand, so strong, so bold, jet black like the night.
Ruby-throated hummingbird, robin, my nemesis, the starling.
That was once a beautiful bird. And now it's someone's lunch. I'm a bird! The man-made bird. The imposter. Also known as the helicopter. Are you serious, cop, on a Segway? Are you serious right now? What?